Hey everybody, Simon D here with another video. Like scrap, cool. Okay, so this one's going to be about a Samsung SSD card portable storage. It's a T7 1 terabyte. Okay, and this is it. You just took it out of the box, and it came with this cord here. And also it came with this one here. So this one's you can put it in your computer with the A one, and then it came with this one here. They can have it here. So how does it work and how do you use it? Well, okay, alright, so you're gonna go here where your files are, your download files. Alright, then you're gonna take this here and you're gonna plug it in that port over there. And then right here T7 pops up, right? So now if you want to, how do you put the files in your portable file? You drag and drop. It's quite simple. You just press it and you hold it, and you've got this here, then you can move around, then you hover it over there and you let it go, and it goes straight into it. So now if you go your downloads here, then you go in your, because this is your T7, so if you go out of there, then you go in your downloads. See, I took the screenshot here. So then when you plug it back in, and you go in your files here, and if you were to delete those ones here, you don't have anything there, but you go in your downloads, and it's still here, right? The screenshot still there. You just take this one, drag and drop, you put it in there. Then when you go in this one, so you've just got that one file that you dragged and dropped in there. So that's how you use the internal storage. And then of course, before you take it out of your computer here, just like your SSD cards or SD cards, you just make sure that you electronically eject it by pressing this button here. It's ejected, then you can remove your storage. So you download it onto here, and then you could go to some other place and then you could download it on somebody else's computer if you're doing projects. If you're doing projects for people or something like that. And that's how you use an external SSD storage. So hopefully that this created value and that it was helpful and that it helped you with a problem. Consider subscribing. Simon D. To the next one. See you later.